Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're shifting our focus to one of the most legendary machines in the motocross world, the new 2026 Yamaha YZ 125. Known for its sharp power delivery, lightweight agility, and iconic two-stroke thrill. The YZ 125 has long been the top choice for aspiring racers and seasoned riders alike. The 2026 model builds on this legacy with refined performance and modern updates. Let's take a closer look at what's new and why this YZ 125 is more exciting than ever. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Yamaha YZ 125 enters with a refreshed body design that stays true to its aggressive motocross identity. Yamaha has sharpened the front shrouds, updated the graphics package, and refined the ergonomics for better rider movement. The seat profile is slimmer, the plastics are more aerodynamic, and the bike boasts a race-ready stance straight from the factory. New color accents and a cleaner overall layout give the YZ 125 a bold, modern appeal that stands out at the track. Performance and powertrain. At the heart of the 2026 YZ 125 is its iconic 125cc liquid-cooled two-stroke engine, now featuring improved combustion efficiency and updated CDI mapping for smoother, yet punchier power delivery. The bike retains its featherweight character but benefits from chassis refinements for better cornering precision and stability on jumps. Updated KYB suspension components offer more adjustability, allowing riders to fine-tune handling for track or trail. Yamaha has also improved airflow and reduced minor drivetrain drag, resulting in crisper acceleration and a more responsive feel. Safety and technology. While motocross bikes focus heavily on performance, Yamaha has added thoughtful upgrades to enhance control and rider confidence. The 2026 YZ 125 features improved brake feel, stronger calipers, and a more durable clutch for long motos. The redesigned cockpit includes a more intuitive lever layout and grippier seat material. Although it remains a pure racer without unnecessary electronics, the improved ergonomics, enhanced traction feel, and refined chassis feedback contribute to safer, more predictable riding in all conditions. Conclusion. The 2026 Yamaha YZ 125 continues to dominate the lightweight motocross category with its exceptional balance of power, agility, and updated engineering. Whether you're training for competition or carving up your favorite dirt track, the new YZ 125 delivers the classic two-stroke excitement with modern refinement. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more motorcycle news, reviews, and first looks at the machines shaping the future of riding.